recording and then we go back and edit it.
Yeah. Straight like it.
Straight like it. What else is in here?
I'm on this liquor, oh so heavy. Before we fuck, get it back, man. Lay that head and I ain't ready. I want your mind, give me that back. That pussy, I want your throat. Front that head before you go. Wet your mind before you blow. Must get back before I bow.
Becky, Becky, marry me.
Oh, I got your boyfriend. I got your man. Oh, I got your boyfriend. I got your man.
Who that where you at?
I got your boyfriend. I got your man. Oh, I got your boyfriend.
I got your man. And he ain't right shit either. He ain't right shit either. He broke too. We got two broke guys.
What's the tea? I heard you wanna. What's the tea? Heard you wanna. The tea like me. What's the tea? What's the tea? What's the tea? I heard you wanna walk like me. Walk like me. Walk like me. Walk like me. I heard you wanna
Walk like me.
walk like me.
That's it.
Cause you know I ain't with that bullshit. You give me one, I'm a boy. His shit, your shit, y'all shit. I'm not asking on the man to respect. Ah! We still stuck.
Okay, bitch, we still got a flat tire on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere. Stop. You thought it was my mama.
I keep feeling like my wig will just pop off.
Oh Lord, it look like it's nothing.
This fat ass man looking like God, I belong here. Get the fuck out of my way.
Why you so obsessed with me? All I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows. It's clear that you're upset with me.
My phone died.
Well,
Shit, that's all.